Hi everyone, it's Rob here, and today we're going to do some more poetry. At school, I used to enjoy writing acrostic poems, which is where you write a word down one side of the page, and this gives you the first letter for each line of the poem. So it might look like this. Acrostics make me feel really cheerful because they're really good ways to bring a word to life. Oh yes, slowly but surely you can take a word apart and make it live. It's a way to find our poets of the future, namely, children. See how each letter of the word acrostic gives you the start of each line. So here's one for you to have a go at. And you'll be telling a story through the poem. The story of your weekend. It's Saturday. Write an acrostic poem about today, 8 lines long. Write Saturday down the side, and then start each line with S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y.